How to fix Samsung internet app not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Samsung internet app not working on Android phone. First open settings and here click apps and then apps again, and here we'll find all your installed apps, and once you're here type here Samsung internet and here we'll find it. And first you need to do here, click for stop, and now click storage, and here click clear cache. Now go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, click clear data. You will lose your data, but that will fix your problem. And if that also doesn't fix it, then it means that you need to update your Samsung internet browser. Just click update and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.